Welcome back to our channel where we discuss everyday health and wellness topics. Today we'll be talking about chronic inflammation and ways you can protect yourself from it. Chronic inflammation is a condition that can lead to many serious and dangerous health problems. That's why it becomes important to know about it and to identify its signs and protect yourself from it. Before knowing how you can protect yourself from chronic inflammation, first let's know about what is inflammation and when it can turn into chronic inflammation. Guys, a small request to please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Inflammation is nothing but body's natural response to heal injury or infection. It occurs when our immune system releases chemicals causing immune response to fight off infection or heal damaged tissue. So when does a regular inflammation turns to chronic inflammation? Well, inflammation turns to chronic inflammation when our immune system keeps on sending inflammatory cells and substances even when there's no infection or injury. It can last for months or years, and it can turn out to be a dangerous condition because it can cause many life-threatening diseases like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. Now, before you know how you can protect yourself from chronic inflammation, it is very important to find out its causes and some of the signs so that you can be aware and not ignore any small injuries you sustain. Let's look at it. Chronic inflammation can be caused from untreated injuries or illnesses, or from exposure to industrial chemicals, pollutants, and other environmental toxins. Certain lifestyle factors like eating a diet high in added sugars, processed or fried foods, refined carbohydrates, excess alcohol consumption, being obese, living with chronic stress, and having irregular sleep patterns, all of these factors can cause chronic inflammation. Let's quickly look at some signs of chronic inflammation. Some of the most common signs of chronic inflammation include joint stiffness, tendinitis, muscle pain, insomnia, sleep apnea, persistent fatigue, weight gain or unexplained weight loss, psoriasis, frequent infections, abdominal pain, acid reflux, other digestive system issues, unexplained fever, depression and anxiety. If you feel like you may be suffering from any one of these symptoms, then you should consult with your doctor before it can develop into further dangerous condition. Now, how you can protect yourself or prevent chronic inflammation from developing? One way to protect yourself from chronic inflammation is to incorporate more anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. These include omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods such as fatty fish, walnuts, and chia seeds. Other anti-inflammatory foods are leafy greens, berries, and ginger. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and trans fats, which can cause inflammation. Regular exercise is another way to protect yourself from chronic inflammation. Exercise can reduce inflammation by decreasing stress hormones and increasing anti-inflammatory cytokines. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a weight training session at the gym. Stress can lead to chronic inflammation, so it's important to manage it effectively. This could be through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply taking a break and doing something you enjoy. Find a stress-reducing activity that works for you and make it a part of your daily routine. Lack of sleep can also lead to chronic inflammation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, avoid stimulants such as caffeine and technology before bed, and create a relaxing bedtime routine. So there you have it, 5 effective ways to protect yourself from chronic inflammation. Eat more anti-inflammatory foods, exercise regularly, manage stress effectively, and get enough sleep. Chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems, so these tips are important for maintaining your overall health and well-being. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video. Please support me by liking the video, sharing it, commenting on it and subscribing to the channel.